With the recent announcement that OpenAI's ChatGPT voice feature is now accessible to all free users, iPhone enthusiasts can consider replacing Siri with ChatGPT as their primary voice assistant, specifically on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. These latest Apple smartphones introduced the novel Action Button, taking the place of the traditional mute button present since the iPhone's inception. Users can now customize this button through a new settings menu, allowing for various functionalities beyond muting the ringer. Tailoring the Action Button to individual preferences opens up a range of possibilities. Users can assign it tasks such as opening the camera, activating the flashlight, recording a voice memo, launching the Magnifier app, quickly utilizing an accessibility feature, or initiating an app shortcut. Before the recent announcement, attempting to associate this iOS shortcut with the Action Button led to an error since voice access required a ChatGPT Plus subscription. However, with the new update, voice access is now free for all ChatGPT users. This means anyone can opt for ChatGPT over Siri by configuring the Action Button to activate ChatGPT's voice access feature. To set this up, users need to navigate to the Action Button menu in the iOS settings screen, select the shortcut option, and tap on Choose a Shortcut. From the list of supported apps, users can find and tap on ChatGPT. By associating the action with the button, users can press and hold the Action Button to initiate a ChatGPT voice session. It's important to note that the Shortcuts app must be downloaded on the iPhone if it's not already installed. Once configured, users can choose from 5 different voices for their ChatGPT assistant: Ember, Sky, Breeze, Juniper, and Cove. They can then simply speak their questions directly to ChatGPT and listen to its responses, offering a smarter alternative to Siri. While ChatGPT is a notable option, the Action Button on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max supports a variety of other tasks. Third-party apps, including those for music, recipes, utilities, productivity, photography, workouts, reading, meditation, entertainment, and AI utilities, have adopted the Action Button Shortcuts feature. Users can also create their own custom shortcuts through the Shortcuts app, adding to the versatility of the Action Button. Despite various options, integrating ChatGPT support emerges as a compelling choice, considering the AI chatbot's versatility in addressing everyday queries compared to Siri's limitations. However, the wish to set ChatGPT as the default assistant on the iPhone remains unfulfilled.